Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is EduSR TV, and in this video I am going to show you how to create ChatGPT account. Yes, in order to use ChatGPT, you open an account with OpenAI. Then whenever you want to sign in to your ChatGPT, you would just use your login and password. Yes, so I'm going to show you this. It is very simple steps to take. So let's go into this, guys. So let's open our Google Chrome as I've opened mine here, and I'll just type um I'll just type chat GPT. You can even see chat GPT login. You just tap there, chat GPT login. Then you see chat GPT open AI, tap it. So I have I have one account with them already. So if I am to log into my account, I will just tap login. But here I want us to know how to sign up. So let me tap sign up. So here, signing up, I've already signed up with this email, so I'm not going to sign up with this email. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to have a new email. I'm going to use new email to do this. So let me take this away and provide another email. Continue. Then password. So you would have to create a password. So so guys, here we have now signed in, and we'll be asked to verify our email. So we can just open our email here. It says we sent an email to um, the email that you used. Yes, the email that you used. So let's check that one. Okay, so let me see. Let me see. Um, so open AI. I've seen open AI. So you just tap here, verify email. So so the rest is your own self, where you have to fill your first name, your last name, your birthday. So this is very simple. So your first name, um, last name, your birthday. So you just give your months. So months, day, and year. Then that continuum, and your account is almost done. Your account is almost done. So let me show you something. If you have the account already, what would happen? So let's see this. Don't worry about this one. Let me show you. So if you have the account already, after you're verified, login. So you just, if you have saved your emails and all that, so continue, and your password, continue, and now you have your chat GPT here, of which you can search anything. So I was learning something. I was to write a paper yesterday, so I was preparing for the paper and I was learning something. So trading derivatives for risk, liquidity risk effects. So let me tap this. So if you tap on this one, see, it has just provided me with a lot. So liquidity risk refers to the risk that bank may not have sufficient funds to meet its obligations as they fall due. So these are some of the things that you can do with ChatGPT. Yes, you want to do a new one, you want to search for something new, just tap here, um, 10 best American dishes. 10 best American dishes. Wow, here are 10 of the most popular and iconic American dishes: hamburger, hot dogs, apple pie, fried chicken, BBQ ribs, mac and cheese, clam chowder, I don't know, pancakes, Philly cheesesteak, Southern style biscuits, and gravy. So, guys, this is how Chat GPT works. So, I've showed you how to create a Chat GPT account. It is very simple. So, do it, and let me see your comments so that if there is any problem at all, you can reach out to me. Then we will work on that. Yes, we work on it. Bye. But please remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember to subscribe to this channel. If this is your first time, subscribe for me, please. Subscribe for me.